lights on the floor that lead to those exits. In the event of an evacuation, you will follow flight attendant commands. You will leave everything at your seat. In the event of a water evacuation, there are life rafts and life vests. We have 2 life rafts up front. We have 2 life rafts in the middle. Life vests, they can be found underneath the seat in front of you. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container. Remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Wrap that strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Only once outside the aircraft. You want to pull down on the red tab to inflate. To manually inflate, you can blow into the tube of your shoulder. And there's a little blinky light on the left shoulder that self-activates when you get into the cold water. Sometimes it attracts sharks. We're going to come through the cabin. We're going to make sure that your seat backs and tray tables are upright and locked. All of your carrying items are stowed and that none of you are smoking. Believe it or not, folks, it is a non-smoking flight. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, destroying any smoke detector in the aircraft, including the lavatories. Federal aviation regulations do require that our passengers are compliant with posted placards, lighted information signs, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Kids, some of you are using the vapes or the e-cigs. You can't use those on board. You can't even charge them. Leave those items stowed along with any alcohol you may be transporting. You can't consume your own alcohol on board. Folks, we never, ever anticipate a change in cabin pressure. However, should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will descend from the compartments overhead. It activates a flow of oxygen. Pull down on the mask until the tubing is completely extended. Stop screaming, place the mask over your nose and mouth, and try and breathe normally. You can adjust the mask with the little strappy thing on the side. That plastic bag in front, it does not always inflate. That's just the way it works. You'll be fine. Continue wearing the mask until notified by uniformed crew member. If you're traveling with small children or anyone that needs special assistance, please put on your mask first. Folks, that's it. Sit back, relax, enjoy. 35 minutes of flying time to get us into Las Vegas. Welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, we got a little bit of a delay here. Flow's going into Vegas because of the winds they have going on up there right now. So we'll be sitting here for just a few minutes. Do us a favor though, stay in your seats, keep those seatbelts fastened. These times are a little bit flexible. Sometimes they can move up and we'll be ready to go in a few minutes notice. So if you're up and about, then that delays our departure. So please remain seated, keep those seatbelts fastened. We'll be out of here in just a few minutes. Thank you.